This is the Aurora 88 Black Mamba fountain pen. It comes in a large red sleeve with the Aurora Cento logo, celebrating 100 years of Aurora. That slides off, and underneath is a black Aurora box. The Aurora logo on the top, which lifts off. And inside that cardboard box is a nice hard outer shell box for the pen. It has the Aurora logo embossed on the lid. With that hinge style lid, it lifts open. Black interior, the Aurora logo on the underside of the box lid. And of course we have the Aurora 88 Black Mamba fountain pen. This pen has a gouache etch pattern on the cap and barrel and black trim on the pen with a matte black finish on that trim. It has a glossy top on the cap where that filigree pattern stops, as well as the bottom of the barrel of the pen, and the rest has just the kind of a dull finish to it with the etchings on the pen. The clip on the pen has a curved arch shape with a large round ball at the end, and there's a ring at the center of the pen that's engraved with Aurora, and that will unscrew. It is a piston style fountain pen, so you can see the small ink viewing window. It's a smoke color, so you can see the ink levels inside. You can control the piston to fill the ink with this knob here on the end. So you'd unscrew this and run the knob to fill it with ink. It has a glossy resin section with a matching black to match the rest of the pen, with a black nib and a black feed. It is engraved with the Aurora, and it is an 18 karat gold nib. The cap will also post on the end of the barrel of the pen, but doesn't necessarily need to. Great pen. Aurora is a great Italian brand. Get your Aurora 88 Mamba fountain pen at penchalet.com.